Are you dreaming of a tropical getaway but don't want to spend a fortune on an all-inclusive resort? Look no further. In this video, we'll be sharing specific and detailed tips on how to book the cheapest all-inclusive resort for your next vacation. Tip 1. Book during the shoulder season. One of the best ways to save money on an all-inclusive resort is to book during the shoulder season. This means avoiding peak travel times such as summer, holidays, and spring break, and instead, book your trip during the month, just before or after the peak season. Not only will the prices be lower, but the crowds will also be smaller, making for a more relaxing vacation. Tip 2. Compare prices and amenities before booking your all-inclusive resort. Be sure to compare prices from different websites and travel agents. Some sites may offer special deals or discounts that others don't have. But don't just focus on the price. Also check the amenity that the resort offers, such as the quality of the food, the size of the rooms, the availability of activities. This way you can ensure you are getting the best value for your money. Tip 3. Look for last-minute deals. Another way to save money on an all-inclusive resort is to look for last-minute deals. Many hotels and resorts offer last-minute deals to fill rooms that haven't been booked. So if you're flexible with your travel dates, you can often find a great deal. Tip 4. Negotiate with the hotel. If you're booking directly with the hotel, don't be afraid to negotiate. If the hotel has a lot of vacancies or if you're booking last minute, they may be willing to offer a lower rate. Also, if you're planning on staying for an extended period of time, ask the hotel if they offer any long-term stay discounts. Tip 5. Consider alternative destinations. If you're open to traveling to a different destination, you may be able to find a cheaper all-inclusive resort. For example, destinations in Mexico, the Caribbean, and Central America tend to be cheaper than those in Hawaii or Europe. Also, consider lesser-known destinations that are still developing their tourism, such as countries in Southeast Asia or East Africa. Tip 6. Check for hidden fees. Before you book your all-inclusive resort, be sure to read the fine print and check for any hidden fees. Some resorts may charge extra for activities such as water sports or spa treatments. Also, check if the resort includes all meals, drinks, and activities in the price, or if there are additional costs for certain things. Tip 7. Use loyalty program. Many all-inclusive resorts have loyalty programs that offer discounts, free nights, and other perks to repeat guests. If you're a frequent traveler, it may be worth it to sign up for one of these programs and take advantage of the benefits. Tip 8. Look for discounts. There are many websites and apps that offer discounts on all-inclusive resorts. Some popular sites include Groupon, Living Social, and RetailMeNot. Be sure to check these sites before booking your all-inclusive resort to see if there are any deals available. Also, check if the resort offers any discounts for AAA members, military personnel, or senior citizens. Tip 9. Book early. Booking early can also help you save money on an all-inclusive resort. Many resorts offer early bird discounts for guests who book their stay well in advance. Tip 10. Consider an all-inclusive cruise. All-inclusive cruises are a great way to save money on your next vacation. These cruises offer all-inclusive packages that include meals, entertainment, and activities. Plus, you get to visit multiple destinations without having to worry about transportation or lodging. Another advantage of all-inclusive cruises is that they often offer a wider range of activities and amenities than a land-based resort, such as swimming pools, fitness centers, and onboard entertainment. Tip 11. Research the all-inclusive options. Not all all-inclusive resorts are created equal. Some may include more amenities or activities than others. Some all-inclusive resorts may include free green fees at a nearby golf course, while others may offer complimentary scuba diving lessons. Research different all-inclusive options and compare what is included in the price. Tip 12. Look for deals on social media. Many resorts and hotels use social media to promote deals and discounts. Follow your favorite resorts on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to stay updated on any promotions or discounts they may be offering. Tip 13. Use a travel agent. A travel agent can help you find the best deals on all-inclusive resorts and can even negotiate rates on your behalf. They may also have access to exclusive deals and promotions that aren't available to the general public. Tip 14. Consider a vacation rental. Another way to save money on an all-inclusive resort is to consider a vacation rental. Vacation rentals, such as apartments, villas, and condos, can often offer more space and privacy than a hotel room, and can be a more cost-effective option for families or groups of friends. Additionally, many vacation rentals come with a kitchen, which can help you save money on food expenses. Tip 15. Use cashback and rewards programs. Many credit cards and online shopping portals offer cashback or rewards programs that can help you save money on your all-inclusive resort stay. Be sure to check if your credit card offers any travel-related perks, such as free travel insurance or discounts on rental cars. Additionally, you can use online shopping portals like Rakuten or Honey to earn cash back on your booking. Conclusion: booking the cheapest all-inclusive resort doesn't have to be a hassle. By following these tips and tricks, you can save money on your next vacation and enjoy a relaxing and stress-free experience. Remember to book during the shoulder season, compare prices and amenities, look for last-minute deals, negotiate with the hotel, consider alternative destinations, check for hidden fees, use a loyalty program, look for discounts, book early, consider an all-inclusive cruise, research the all-inclusive options, look for deals on social media, use a travel agent, consider a vacation rental, and use cashback and rewards programs. Happy travels!